unicorns, dragons, or phoenixes are quite the same. And of course, you will never get such good results with another wizard's wand. Let us begin. A wand of birch, 15 inches long, a flexible iron swisher with a phoenix tail feather core. Now Jacob, it's rather dark in here. Let's see if we can brighten things up a bit, shall we? Hold your wand up high, concentrate on the tip of the wand and say Lumos. Lumos. Good, yes. Oh dear. Dear. Meteorologics Raconto. Very powerful magic indeed, but that is not your wand. Not to worry. Perhaps a wand of vine for you. 15 inches long, rather bendy, with a dragon heartstring core. Now, do you see my wand boxes on my shelves up there?
Yeah.
I would like for you to pick one of them out and make it levitate by giving your wand a swish and a flick and saying Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Excellent! Oh dear, but perhaps not your wand. Reparo. But not to worry, Jacob. You are doing just fine. And we are getting much closer, indeed. Tricky customer, however. I wonder. Perhaps this. It is the perfect fit. This is a wand of ash. This wand is excellent for healing and protection. It chooses a wizard with a healing touch and many dreams. And with a dragon heartstring core, your loyalty will be much admired among your friends. Man, one last time. Well done. Now, my assistant will explain the wand options and answer any questions you may have. But you can remember, the wand learns from the wizard, and the wizard from the wand. Off you go.